To graph a parabola with a table of values when you are given a vertex form of the quadratic is easy. We're going to use 3 steps. Step 1 is to find our vertex. The vertex is the turning point of the parabola. In this case, we're going to have a maximum value because there's a -1 in front of the function for a. So what we do is we take the opposite of +1, and that will be -1. And then we'll use +2 as the y value. So just to repeat, for the x value of the vertex, we'll take the opposite value of +1, which is -1, but we're going to retain +2 as the y value of the vertex. Step 2, we're going to set up a table of values, and so we're going to have 3 columns. We'll have x, the function, and the xy pair. So how do we know which numbers to use? Well, we'll use -1, 2, and we'll use 5 numbers in total, but 2 of the numbers will be less than -1, and 2 numbers will be greater than -1. So we'll use -2, -3, and we'll use 0 and 1 for the x values. So if x is equal to -3, we substitute that into the equation. Use a calculator or use BEDMAS, and you should get a y value of -2. And to check, -3 plus 1 is -2. All squared is 4. 4 times -1, -4, plus 2 is -2. When x is -2, again, insert that into the equation. -2 plus 1 is -1. Squared is 1. 1 times -1, -1, plus 2 is 1. And then for the vertex, that's easy. We've got -1, 2. We've just established that from the hk values of the equation. And then for the next point, we should get y as our output, and we should get -2 as the output at the very end. And just verify that this is true. Put in 0 to the equation. You'll get 0, 1. And the last point, you should get y, -2. And again, use a calculator or BEDMAS. To plot the points, it's easy. We'll start at the origin. We'll go 3 left, and we'll go 2 units down. Plot the point. -2, 1, we go to the origin, 2 left, and we're going to go 1 unit up. And for the vertex, we'll go -1, 2, so we'll go left 1, up 2. For 0, 1, we'll start at the origin, go up 1, plot the point. And for 1, -2, go 1 to the right of the origin, and go 2 units down. And then we draw a curve, like so, and that is how we graph a parabola. Y equals -1 times x plus 1 all squared plus 2 using the vertex and a table